Well, hello. As you might have guessed, today we're going to look at some of the play settings. We're going to just take a look at the camping scene. I did a video earlier that we covered the city scene. So this is one of the three. Alright, first off, these three cars were available in the main line. Don't actually have these two individually. I typically collect the new models for the most part. But I do collect the Extra series. So as you can see, the Son of Gun was available in the Extra series. It'll be the same car that's available in the camping scene. Difference between the camping scene, other than this one was actually priced $1.98. That's cheaper than $1 a car. Plus you got all these little guys. So what a good deal. So let's check it out. I like this you got a deer over there in the corner, mountains and trees. Pretty neat artwork. No cars. Usually they have cars in their artwork, but not in these packs. Okay, what we get right over here, we got a tent. We got a brown plastic deer standing right next to it. We got 3 campers, a green one and a couple brown ones it looks like, and an orange campfire. So you got the Son of Gun, Jeep CJ7 in brown. This one has basic wheels on it. There are rare versions that come with real riders on them. And over here you have the Ford Bronco in red. Also basic wheels, white topper. You see inside there's a little bit of extension of this scene back there. So this is your play settings camping scene. Pretty cool set. So all I need left is the firefighters scene. We'll do that when we get them up. I believe this is about 1982 or 83. I've totally forgotten now. But yeah, here you go. Fun in the woods on Camp Out. Recreational wheels, outdoor people surrounded by Mother Nature. Pretty cool. Alright. Thanks for watching. Nice little short one there for you. Alright, bye-bye. Mother Nature? How much Mother Nature is there? Are you Mother Nature? It's the deer. Shoot, it's Mother Nature. It's been raining on my parade for weeks. This is the play settings from Hot Wheels. They're hot. 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 Fire!